Hello everyone! Are you looking to improve your core and work on those dreaded lower back muscles? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 best AB exercises you can do anywhere. So, let's divine. 1. Plank, the classic and simplest AB exercise. All you need is a flat surface and your body weight. Start by gripping the ground with both hands, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Tighten your core and lift your body up, keeping your back flat. Lower back down with control, and repeat. 2. Russian twists. This exercise targets your obliques, which are those extra muscles that help stabilize your lower back. To do Russian twists, get into a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lean back slightly, keeping your back flat, and lift your feet off the ground. Twist your torso, moving your weight from side to side. Aim for 10 to 12 reps on each side. 3. Bicycle crunches. These are a great way to target your lower back, as well as your obliques. Start in a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lift one knee towards your chest, keeping your back straight, then quickly switch to the other knee, and repeat. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg. 4. Deadlifts. This compound exercise targets multiple muscle groups, including your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Start with a squat position, with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your back straight and chest up, and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 5. Mountain climbers. This exercise is a great way to target your lower back, as well as your core. Start in a plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bend one knee towards your chest, keeping your back straight, then quickly switch to the other knee, and repeat. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg. So, there you have it. These 5 best AB exercises can be easily done anywhere, and will help you build those lower back muscles you so badly need. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine. Happy exercising! If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.